Adverse effects of industrial noise. Protecting workers from the effects of industrial noise can be complicated because the particular characteristics of noise in a workplace have to be considered, along with other workplace hazards. What is industrial noise? Noise is generally defined as the unpleasant sounds which disturb the human being physically and physiologically and cause environmental pollution by destroying environmental properties. What are the adverse effects of noise? 1. Hearing difficulties. 2. Work-related stress. 3. An increased risk of workplace accidents. 4. Effects of noise on working performance. 5. Interference in speech communication with others. 6. Sleep disturbance. 7. Cardiovascular and physiological effects. 8. Mental health effects. 9. High blood pressure and the productivity loss are the problems related to noise pollution.